Hello everyone, welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Today we are making lemon buns. So first we want to melt a third of a cup of butter, and then we must zest a lemon into the butter. I guess. A little yellow. Okay, so now we're going to take a tablespoon of agave instead of honey and pour it into the butter. So that actually looks kind of cool. Now we mix it up a bit. Okay, let's put it in the microwave. Now we're going to brush the butter, agave, and lemon mix over the buns. Now we're going to cut sort of like an X shape into the buns, but also leave some there. Leave some bun at the bottom. If you don't want to go all the way, you can go a bit shallow, but just make sure there's enough so that when we pipe in the lemon curd, there's room for the curd. Oh yeah, by the way, we used Hawaiian sweet rolls, which are excellent for this because sweet. These are sort of like a dessert or an appetizer thing. Sometimes you may feel like a small knock on the middle. That's okay. Because either way, some of the curds can go around onto the bottom, so it doesn't really matter. Please like and subscribe while I'm cutting these buns. And also check out my friend's channel, Lego Gorilla. Again, he's starting to make fun monkey horror videos, which not gonna lie are pretty good actually. Like and subscribe to both of our channels. Please share this video with every single one of your friends. So now we're going to take this piping bag of which we put the lemon curd in. And then we cut off this tip with this little thing on. Pump it into the buns. But first, we need the lemon curd. So, I'm going to just take a spoon, start taking it out. So now I'm going to snip off this little part. But first we want to lay it on its side so the lemon curd doesn't go spilling out. Now I just scooch this on. And now, voila. Now we're gonna make the glaze as well. So now we need the juice of 1 lemon, half a cup of sugar, powdered sugar actually, and 2 tablespoons of milk. And actually by combining all those ingredients, we get the glaze. Every seed you didn't get out just gets filtered to the bottom. Ooh, snap. So now I'm going to put the lemon juice, sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk in. I'm going to say sugar first. Lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we mix to make our glaze. This reminds me of whisking eggs. Voila. After we cook these tomorrow morning, we will then put the glaze on. Make it extra good. Okay, so now we're gonna put the buns in the oven. Make sure to heat it to 325 degrees. there. Slide it in there. So now it's 10 or 15 minutes later. And it's now so now we're gonna brush the glaze we made yesterday on. While I'm doing this, could you please like and subscribe? That's not good. So now I'm gonna take a banana and try it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's good. That's all for today, and also, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you all next time on What's New Private Kitchen. Uh, um, what was it again?